Welcome back, Filmholics. My name is Kyle Koenig, but in this channel I find anything and everything filmmaking. So today is going to be a little bit different. Now I do have to apologize for the fact that today's video is not going to be a gear review. But after this video, it is going to go back to the regular schedule. But the main thing is, during this epidemic and these trying times, the videos in this channel is going to be taking a small dip in quality. I won't be going as outdoors or as adventurous as usual because, you have to stay inside, you have to stay away from a lot of people, and just all those things. So there is going to be a small dip in that. Another reason is for the fact that in my job I work in a movie theater as a server. And not a lot of people are going to be going to movies, a lot of movies are getting delayed, and I'll be talking more about that in my next video and my thoughts on those. But a lot of things are going into order with this channel that is causing it to have lower quality. So my gear reviews won't be as expensive, I won't be going outside as much like I said before, and a lot of my budget is going to be going towards, well, paying the bills for the next few months. And I just want to apologize for that, and I hope you guys are not dealing with similar things, and I hope you guys aren't dealing with any of this at all, actually. So yeah, now I hope all this stuff that's happening around the world and around the US where we live and around every other country, actually just around the world, I hope none of you guys are getting affected too much. I have a lot of friends and family who are possibly getting affected, or just a lot of them are dealing with a lot of budget issues as well. So hope you guys stay safe. Make sure to be careful everywhere you go. This video is really hard to make in a way because it's not out of having fun with filming, but it's more of giving you guys bad news. But like I said, the schedule will still go on, just not as extravagant as usual. So I'm sorry guys. But again, stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and dream on.